Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we will see how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel. The VLOOKUP function is used to retrieve a data corresponding to a certain lookup value when the data is arranged in different rows as shown here. So here we have some employee data and we want to find out the age of the employees corresponding to these employee IDs from this data table. So I will show you how to do this using the VLOOKUP function. But before using, I want to tell you 4 important pieces of information which you need to know before using the VLOOKUP function. The first one is the lookup value. And in this case, the lookup value is the employee ID. The second is the table array. Now here is something very important which I want to tell you. The table array consists of the array of data from which you want to find the data, and here make sure that while selecting this table array you need to have the column corresponding to the lookup value as the leftmost column. So I'm naming this as 1. The third piece of information is the column index. This is the column number of the data which you want to retrieve. So in this case, as we have the employee ID as the first column, the number for this will be 5. I'm just typing here the numbers to make it easier for you. You don't need to type these. The final is the range lookup, which means whether you are looking for an exact match of this lookup value or a partial match. So in this case we need an exact match, so we will be typing false. I'm showing you how. So you just type equal to v lookup here, and then the first thing is lookup value, which is 475. Next we have to select the table array. Now remember, as I told you, the table array, the leftmost column should consist of the lookup column corresponding to the lookup value, so we select it from here. Now I want to fix this table array, so I am going to select it and just pressing F4, so this will fix the table. And after that, I'm sorry, the table array is from here to here, and then pressing F4, and then we have to type in the column index number, and as we need to retrieve the age, so the column index number here is 5. And after that the range lookup should be false, which means it should have an exact match. And you see we have the age corresponding to this employee ID here, so we can simply drag and drop to find the age of these employee IDs also. So this is how we use the VLOOKUP function in Excel. I hope you liked today's video. Please like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you.